Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Kim. I'm really glad you're here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy it. Today's video is going to be about Grubhub. It was recently acquired by JustEatTakeaway.com on June 14th of 2021. Is this a good thing? Maybe. I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. So I have some information. So who is JustEatTakeaway.com? Well, it is Takeaway.com is a Holland company that was started more than 20 years ago. It acquired Just Eat just over a year ago. These are both mostly European food delivery companies, but now it's called JustEatTakeaway.com. Grubhub. I don't know where they're going to throw that in there, but anyways, they're a market leader in Europe, Canada, and Australia. This $7.3 billion acquisition of Grubhub will allow them to occupy 4 of the world's most competitive food delivery markets: United States, Germany, United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. And is currently delivering in 24 countries through its platform. Well, I don't know, that sentence doesn't make any sense. Delivering through its platform in 24 countries. That's what I meant to say. Sorry about that. So I have no idea how to say this person's name. I'm sorry if I hack it here. I'm going to say Jitse Groen, CEO of JustEatTakeaway.com, said, "It's humbling to run such a company after our start in Holland more than 20 years ago. We welcome Matt and his team to this great company." Matt is the CEO, I believe, of Grubhub. Anyways, I read some articles about JustEatTakeaway.com, and it sounds like it's a solid company. There's pros and cons, just like Doordash and Grubhub. You know, you got the typical customer complaints and the typical, why is it taking so long for my food to come? I waited 45 minutes, it didn't come, it was cold, that sort of thing. I didn't find much from the driver's perspective, so that'll be interesting to see. Will they bring new ideas to Grubhub, or will things stay the same? I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. It'll be interesting to see what the future holds, actually. I downloaded the Takeaway customer app to see what it looked like. It's all very similar to what we see with Grubhub and Doordash. You basically pick your restaurant, pick your item, set up your account, choose a pickup time, and pay. It's very similar. So here is what it kind of looks like. So Just Eat. This is the page when you first open it up. And then I just put it a random address that I found online for the United Kingdom. So anyways, I just wanted to see what it looked like for the restaurants. And it's very similar. You pick, it shows you a bunch. You pick one, and then you click on it. It gives you more details. Like they had a deal. And here's your reviews. Then you have your menu and you pick the food, etc., etc. So it's all very similar. Do you think it will change how Grubhub works? I don't know. I hope not. I like Grubhub. I like that they have better paying offers, I guess is the best way to put it. There's no $3 and $4 offers. The lowest I've seen is $8, which is, that's decent. And then if the customer tips on top of that, you've got a decent offer right there. So anyways, I make a lot of money on the Grubhub offers. I mean, there are some that I don't take that are really far away. And there's some things about Grubhub I don't like. Like it gives you offers randomly, not based on your location. So you're driving back and forth all over the place if you were to take all of them. I don't. I just take the ones that are close to where I am. But, there's a lot of offers that are offered to me that sound really great, but it's going to take me a half hour to get over to that restaurant. So I don't take them. So anyways, maybe the two companies combined will come up with some great new ideas or ways to make things even better than they already are. I hope so. Do you even care? Do you do Grubhub? Have you ever thought about delivering for Grubhub? I really like it. So Grubhub's market share is much smaller than DoorDash. But with this influx of money, maybe it will help Grubhub take some of the market. I don't know. We'll see. It's all up for grabs. We'll just see how it goes. I'm excited to see what this JustEatTakeaway.com company has to add to what Grubhub is currently doing. They're going to keep some of the management from Grubhub. I thought I had a slide about that, but I guess not. The CEO and then 2 other guys are going to be staying on the board. So that will help hopefully keep the voice of Grubhub alive, and they won't just become their company here in the United States. Maybe it'll keep some of Grubhub philosophy and ways they do business, etc. But, like I said, time will tell. So anyways, I'm excited to see where it goes. I just wanted to share this information because things may change. And it's nice to have that information ahead of time so you can watch out and do some research on your own. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Thank you.